Welcome to the channel. In this video we'll learn to make some pattern with the help of matchsticks. We'll be using some letters, we'll be repeating the letters, and we'll try to make some design out of those letters. And the letter will be same. For making the letter we'll be using matchsticks. So that is what we'll be trying. I'll try to show you in this video. So first of all, let us see what we're going to do. We are going to make a pattern with the letter T. So we'll be putting some letter one after another and we'll try to make some pattern. Let's see how we'll do this. So let us start with 1T. So for 1T, and we'll be using matchstick. So for 1T we need two matchsticks. That is very much clear and very much easy to understand. And we can see also that we need two matchsticks for making 1T. Now let us move ahead and make some design with 2T. Now you can see 2T I am placing one after another, and with the help of matchsticks I have designed it. So for 2T we can make a design, and for that we need 4 matchsticks. So some pattern it is coming. So for 3T and 4Ts, can you guess the number of matchsticks that we need? Definitely for 3T we need 6 matchsticks, for 4T we need 8 matchsticks. So we can look into the 4 types of design created by different combination of T's, and we can see a pattern. So what is the pattern? Let us see. For 1T we need 2 matchsticks. For 2T's we need 4 matchsticks. For 3T we need 6 matchsticks. For 4T we need 8 matchsticks, right? So can you guess what for 1T? Now before guessing, there is another pattern you can see. For 1T we need 2 matchsticks, and the 2 we can write as 1 into 2. For 2T's we need 4 matchstick, right? And that 4 we can write as 2 into 2. For 3T's we need 6 matchsticks, and that can be written as 3 into 2. Similarly 4 into 2 for 8 matchsticks. Here you can see into 2 is constant. It is coming in all the pattern, right? And for 1 it is coming 1, for 2 it is coming 2 into, right? For 3 it is coming 3 into, for 4 it is coming 4 into, the left side of into, multiplication sign. So similar pattern if we follow, then for 5T we'll be using 5 into 2. For 7T we'll be using 7 into 2, right? So 5 for 5T I am multiplying with 5. Into 2 is common. For 7T I will be multiplying with 7, and into 2 is common. Can you guess what I will write here for 10T? With which number I will be multiplying? Yes, definitely it will be 10, and 20 matchsticks we need, right? So I can get the pattern. Whatever number of T I will take, I will multiply it with 2. I need if I go back little, you can see 10T we need 10 into 2, right? 10 into 2 will decide how many matchsticks I need. So now we can see the patterns. So for 1T 1 into 2, for 3T 2 into 2, like this. So now for NT, n number of T, n is a variable. Okay, I am taking n as a variable. Okay, n can be any number. So n is a variable, and n into T if I take, so n into T's, or n into NT's I am taking for making the design. So for that, how many matchsticks we need? We need n into 2, and n into 2 I can write as 2n. Okay, 2n I can write. Okay, so that number of matchsticks we need. So this is my pattern rule that we can say. The rule for making pattern is for 2T if we follow that, it is 2n. Okay, this is the rule for calculating how many matchsticks we need. So now, with the help of this formula, this pattern or rule you can say, I can find out number of matchsticks without designing the pattern, right? Before, you can see in the top we have 8 matchsticks. So for that, I have to make the design to see how many matchsticks we need. Now, without making the design, just after knowing just by knowing how many T I want to put. Suppose I want to make design with 30 T. Okay, I want to make design with 30 T. In the picture you can see here we have created a design with 4 T. In place of 4 T, I want to create a design with 30 T. So for that, what I will do? I will take 30 into 2 or 2 into 30. So that will give me 60. Here also you can find I have done with 60. We put 6 in the rule and we get 2 into n. So in place of n, I will replace n with 6, and 2 into 6 I will get 12. Okay, so this is how we can use the rule, and with this rule, okay, you can read what is written here. With this rule you can make more pattern like this. We can make a pattern with like V, you can make a pattern like W, you can make a pattern like H. So I hope the video is clear to you. In the next video we'll be making some design with the matchsticks. So please subscribe the video and do not forget to watch the next video. Till then, bye.